Hi everyone, this is Zach with Hayes Byways, and we're at Theodore Roosevelt National Park, and we're going to give you a tour of a prairie dog town. So we're at the old East Gate Station. So this used to be one of the entrances to the park, and it is since abandoned. And there's a trail on the very back side of the park that you can hike to this from, and to get to it you have to go right through the middle of a prairie dog town. So we're going to take you through the town and show you some of the sights of what it's like for the lives of the prairie dogs in the prairies of North Dakota.
Why would you run?
No, we don't. All kinds of beautiful plant life out here. There's these prickly pear cacti, and there are hundreds of different kinds of plants out here on the prairie, different kinds of flowers, and I've seen the largest dandelions I've ever seen in my life out here. It's absolutely amazing how much wildlife, both plant life and animal life, there is here. And this prairie dog town is really active. There's hundreds and hundreds of prairie dog holes in the ground. They're little mounds. And it's funny because as you get near them, they alert. There's always like one or two of them that are on alert. And they start making noises, and then the others all go in their holes. And some of them are pretty actually rebellious. They'll like wait till you get right up next to them on the trail before they go down in their hole. But most of them, when you get within 20 or 30 feet on the trail, they dive down in their hole. We've actually, because we're here in late June, it's still kind of like very beginning of summer or end of spring, and this is the time when the babies were born, maybe within the last few months. So seeing a lot of small ones around, which is really cute to see.
You have to take a photo.
Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed our little tour of the Prairie Dog Town in Theodore Roosevelt. We had a really good time. If you're ever here, I would highly recommend taking this trail and checking these little cute fellas out. Please like and subscribe if you like this, and stay tuned for more from our road trip.